Oh no, may flash. Sorry. Hi guys.
Hi guys. Hello.
Mike.
Hello.
Bali only.
Saudi Arabia! Baby, I'm a rock star. Hey, DJ Man, finish the shit.
There's something special that makes me wanna taste you. I want it all day long. I'm addicted all day long. I want it all day long. I'm addicted like this wrong. They can't imitate you. They can't duplicate you. 'Cause you got something special that makes me wanna taste you. I want it all day long. I'm addicted like it's wrong. Look at this girl. She make that it start. He got it work. She twerk. She twerk. Hey, 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 hey.
Are you saying that is enough for me? Cause I look like someone that I used to know.
Papakilala kita.
Gagano ka lang!
Hello. I just wanted to meet my friend. This is my friend Bea. Yeah, what's her name? Rika. What? Rika. Rika. From Korea? Yeah, Japan. Oh, alright, from Japan. Japanese? Yeah, Japanese. Alright, this is Bea. Yeah, Bea.
Hey! Chicken! 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 Hey! Talk to him! Talk! Putang ina! Alam ba? Bakit ako lang sumigaw? Guys, update! Ito na yung kalagayan ng mga kasama ko. Mike! Laika! Pat! Bea! Yeah! Guys, kumba na sila. Nakadalawang Bacardi na kami. Mike, pakita mo, pakita mo! Hey, 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 hey. Hey, hey, hey. Guys, they are dead. Coco Melon. Pamigay ka. Pat, kung naririnig mo to, tumba ka na. 322. Kumbaga sila, Mike at saka si Pat. Ito si, ayan si Mike. Ayan. Ito si Pat. This one. Hey! Bea! Hi guys! Kami na lang nila ikang buhay.
Tama mo daw sila!
Nagpapanggap lang silang buhay. Guys, 8 AM na. Okay pa ako. Patay na yung mga kasama ko. Best of friends. Kapatid. Yes! Mag-ibig na. Sigay, sigay! Sigay! Watashi wa star! 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 Watashi wa star! 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 Kaya niyo pa? Guys, wala nang tao. Guys, wala nang tao. Aalis na ako. Hi guys. Last month standing na naman tayo. Ininuman na naman tayo ng lahat. Kakadating ko lang from Icon to hotel. Solo mode na naman tayo. Nagmotor na lang ako. Ay, puting, hindi ko napindot. We've checked out to our hotel. Yan. Hi. Let's go. Oh, man! Bola ko. Hindi nyo kami inala yan. Bola ko. Dito, like ka. Morning.
Good morning! Welcome home to House of Lechon!
Morning.
Aring halo-halo.
Ituro mo na kay kuya.
Ito po, na small lang.
Pa daw.
Wala na po. Thank you.
And one small glass per
Hi guys, we're in House of Lechon. Breakfast and then lunch. Brunch na to. Kasi late na kami nakalabas. Lechon! Caldero! Dahil kanin.
Good afternoon! Welcome home to House of Lechon!
Hey! 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 Solina! Talaga Solina! Me gusta la gasolina, la regata solina, la regata solina. Oi, oi, oi. Mike, tayo ka din. Tayo ka na. Hey! Uy! 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 Hey! 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 Walang lighter!
Buti tapos na yung birthday ko.
Isa pa, Mike, gusto mo birthday mo?
Hindi.
Birthday to you! Hi guys, we're back in Temple of Leia but with other friends. Hi guys! Hi guys!
Pag mahal mo, paggawan mo ng temple.
Dapat ganun no, temple agad. Hi guys, dito kami ngayon sa Tops. Mike. Si Bea. Bea.
May hangover.
Sakit na nga ng ulo ko. Hi guys, dito kami sa Siraw Flower Garden. Basta yun. Fairness, maganda. Ang daming flowers. Daming flowers.
Sedgo flight 6460 to Bacolod will now depart from gate 25A.
We're back in the airport. Yeah. Getting back to the reality. Going back to Manila. Sad. I just wanna hold you forevermore. Wala kayong kiss? I just wanna hold you forevermore. Di sinama yung sa akin, mga selfish oh.
Ay, shit.
Kitang-kita sa camera. Shellfish.
Teka na.
Mabigat talaga yung ipapatong mo ha. Akala ko ididurog mo eh. Oh, sige, sige. Tayo kasi pausi eh.
Sabi ko, bakit parang